going to be a new chapter now. Chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. And this is the first session. You all have done surface areas and volumes in standard 9 as well. The chapter continues. Alright. There you found curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of cone, total surface areas of cylinder and cone, curved surface area of sphere, curved surface area of hemisphere, total surface area of hemisphere, surface area of cube, cuboids. Are you getting me?
Yes.
All right, ये सब है याद है?
Yes.
So I'll begin this chapter with recalling all the formulae of surface area. I'll start with cube. You take screenshot and learn that formula and enter in your notebook first. Okay? So first object I take is cuboid. Yeah, cube. Let me take cube. Alright, cube. Please. Correct? Length equal to breadth is equal to height. Correct? बोलिए. Lateral surface area means area of only 4 walls. Front face, back face, right side face and the perpendicular faces to the base. That is called lateral surfaces. So what is lateral surface area? 2H into L plus E. This is popularly also called area of 4 walls. If you talk about the room and if it is cubicle, so I'm sorry, I've made a mistake here. This is for cuboid. This is for cuboid. Each face will be L into L, L into L, L into L. So that is 4 L square. No one told me this, Be careful. And total surface area 6L square. 6L square. Is that clear? Check. We move to next object and that is cuboid. Alright. We had some sums of cube and cuboid in 9th standard. We'll have very few or maybe no sums based on cube and cuboid. However, this is length, this is breadth and this is height. They are not equal. Alright. Now, yes, lateral surface area of cuboid, alright, is what? 2H into L plus B, and that is also area of 4. Please learn this. And total surface area 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. Alright, 2 times LB. देखो ये सामने वाला L into H, देखिए वो रेक्टेंगुलर है ना, ये लेंथ है और ये हाइट है, so L into H. So front L into H, back also L into H, so 2 times LH. If you distribute, it is 2 times LH or HL. ये right side B into H, वो भी rectangular shape है, so area of this right side face is B into H. Left side भी B into H होगा, so BH plus BH is 2BH. That's what I keep on wondering. क्यों शेक होता है? उसका पैर लग गया पूरा हिल गया. उधर से बैठ जाओ बेटा. So right side B into H, B into H. That is 2BH. If you distribute, here it is 2BH. अब bottom और top रह गया. Length into breadth, वो भी rectangular shape है. So surface area is length into, and whatever is the area of base, same will be the area of top. So 2BH. So if you distribute, it is 2BH, 2LB, 2LB, 2BH and 2HL. This base is LB. So top is also LB. LB plus LB will be 2LB. And just 2BH. And 4 walls, LH, 2LH. और ये वाला BH. So 2 times LH plus 2 times BH. So 2H common और bracket में L plus All these derivations were done last year as well, so don't worry. Okay. So here are the area related formula of cube and ball. Okay. We'll talk about volume later. अभी सिर्फ area की बात. What should be the next object now? Cylinder. Next object is cylinder. All right. Now I'm drawing the cylinder. For drawing cylinder, I'll draw a rectangle and then give the spherical edges, curved edges. Now this is center. This part, it's called radius, and this is called height. It has curved surface area. Curved surface area of open cylinder. Open cylinder. That is 2 pi r l. Circumference of the base into height. This is circumference into height. Curved surface area of closed cylinder. By cylinder ऊपर नीचे से बंद हो, but we are talking about only curved surface area. Okay, that is 2 pi, and that will be, this will be total surface area as well. Because the cylinder is open, it is having only curved surface. So, curved surface area of open cylinder is 2 pi r, and that's the total surface area as well. Now, this is curved surface area of closed cylinder. That is 2 pi r. But because cylinder is closed, it is having top and bottom. So, total surface area is going to be different. Total surface area of closed cylinder. It is closed, so it has curved surface area तो होती ही है. कोई सिलेंडर कर्व सरफेस एरिया के बिना नहीं हो सकता है. उसका टॉप और बॉटम नहीं होगा. कभी बॉटम है लेकिन टॉप नहीं होगा. वो हो सकता है, बट इट हैज टू हैव कर्व सरफेस, तभी तो सिलेंडर बनेगा. सिर्फ टॉप और बॉटम दो सर्कुलर का सिलेंडर बनता है क्या? विदाउट द सपोर्ट, क्योंकि दैट स्फेरिकल या कर्व सरफेस इज सपोर्ट फॉर द टॉप एंड बॉटम, राइट? So 2 pi r h. बेस कैसा है? सर्कुलर. So pi r square. और टॉप कैसा है? सर्कुलर. So उसका भी pi r square. दोनों सेम रहेंगे. So pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square. Now if you want to modify this formula, what is common? 2 pi r. Bracket में h plus. So either remember one of them. ये याद रखो फिर modify करो. Good. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now next one is very interesting. Total surface area of cylinder closed at one end. The cylinder which is closed at one end can also be called cylinder open at one end. The cylinder open at one end is also called cylinder open at closed end. So, closed at one end. This boy, you are sleeping, literally sleeping with legs up. और कब से मैं आपको बोलने वाला था, इसलिए फैन भी ऑफ करवा दिया. फर्स्ट पीरियड चल रहा है, आंखें बंद हो गई. Total surface area of cylinder closed at one end can be called as cylinder open at one end as well. One end as well. All right. This is equal to 2 pi r h. That is curved surface area. और bottom is plus pi r square. Top नहीं है. Only one end is closed. दोनों end close हो तो pi r square plus pi r square 2 pi r square बनता है. But only one end is closed. So only one surface area. Okay, and that is pi r square. And don't forget, the cylinder has two types of surfaces. Curved surface and plane. Top and bottom are plane. And plane circular surfaces. Alright. So these are area related formula. Okay, for cylinder. I can write cylinder here. This is cylinder. Alright. Why that pen is on still?
Sure.
Next. I'm going to draw a cone. See, I draw a horizontal segment. Okay, how to draw this cone? How to draw this cone? So, a horizontal segment, take the midpoint. From there you draw a perpendicular and then close these ends. Okay, and give the curved surface. This is vertical height h, this is slant height L, and this is radius. And one popular equation याद रखना, Pythagoras, L square, उसके बाजू में ही लिखो, is equal to h square plus r square. Alright? And then we have curved surface area of cone. Yes, this is cone. Right? Curved surface area of cone. What is the formula? याद है किसी को? Pi r L. Radius and slant height is involved, not the height. Vertical height नहीं है. Alright? Okay. And then total surface area, बड़ा आसान. Curved surface तो है ही pi r L और plus base. इसको उल्टा दो तो उसको top भी बोल सकते हैं. Right? So area of base is pi r square. But this is the radius. Okay, pi r can be taken common. Okay, pi r can be taken common. So L plus r. So दो में से कोई भी फॉर्मूला ये याद रखो, फिर मॉडिफाई करके ये बना लो. Is that clear, children? Yes. Understood? Yes. Sure. अब क्या बाकी है? Sphere and hemisphere. Sphere and hemisphere. Let's see that. Learn all this formulae, please. अब the formulae learn कर जो. You should know it. Okay. The major problem with you is whatever is explained here, you understand it well, but you don't want to remember the formula, and that is hazardous. आपको कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला है if you don't remember the formula, please. Okay. Next. Sphere. Right. Sphere I always draw like this. ऐसे और ऐसे. Do you understand? I always draw sphere in this way. सिर्फ ऐसा ड्रॉ किया तो सर्कल बनेगा. सर लेकिन एक ही करते तो भी होता, दो क्यों किया? I divided into 4 parts. I divided into 4 parts. It helps us. कितना पाई आर स्क्वायर है, ये भी पाई आर स्क्वायर है, ये भी पाई आर स्क्वायर है और ये भी पाई आर स्क्वायर है. और उसको तो एक ही है, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. What is कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया of sphere? 4 pi r square. And that is total surface area as well, because it has only one surface, and that is curved surface. Is that clear? Yes. There's only one formula. All right. Okay. Now next is hemisphere. Hemisphere. All right. Horizontal segment. फिर सेंटर से उतनी ही साइज, ये जो साइज है तीनों, इट शुड बी सेम. एंड देन ओके, दिस इज आर, दिस इज ऑल्सो आर, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो आर. आर आर आर. ओके, ऑल दिस 3 पॉइंट्स आर इक्विडिस्टेंट. ओके, इट हैज 2 surfaces, curved and bottom. Curved and bottom. What is curved surface area? Children, पूरा sphere. What is the curved surface area of whole sphere? 4 pi r square. तो ये उसका आधा, half. So it is 2 pi r square. And what is total surface area? Curved surface area plus base area. Curved surface, as you know now, 2 pi r square, and base is circular, that is pi r square. If you sum up, it is 3 pi r square. So ऐसे याद रखो और फिर ये करना. Are you getting me? So curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, whereas total surface area is 3 pi r square. If you talk about the whole sphere, it is 4 pi r square. All right? Okay. All right. Children will need one more formula, and it's very important. Children, what is this? Circle with center O. This is another circle with center. the inner circle has radius small r and the outer circle has radius capital R. Okay, larger radius I have represented by capital R and smaller radius I have represented by small r. Inner circle is the smaller one, outer circle is the bigger one. Is that clear? Yes. Okay, now see. Area of region between, children, what are these two circles called?
Concentric.
Yes, between two concentric circles. Between two concentric circles. Alright, the title I have given. उसे रिंग भी कहते हैं. Area of ring, area of band. Alright, area of annulus. I write area of band. Band, that is region between two, yeah, circular band of course. Okay, बोलो कैसे ढूंढेंगे? पूरा सर्कल का एरिया, होल आउटर सर्कल, एरिया ऑफ आउटर सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ इनर सर्कल. चलो, आउटर सर्कल का रेडियस कैपिटल आर, द फॉर्मूला इज पाई आर स्क्वायर, सो पाई कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर माइनस area of inner circle is also pi r square, but the radius is small r, so carefully I'll put small r. Pi is common, bracket में r minus r square minus, if you want you can factorize r plus r into r minus r. So this is the formula to remember. This is area of band, area of ring, area of annulus, area of region between two concentric circles. Annulus ऐसे इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि if you cut a tree trunk, okay, tree trunk को कट करेंगे तो ऐसे rings मिलेंगी उसमें. Tree trunk, okay, तो ऐसे ring, इसको हर साल एक ring नई बनती है. That is what is discovered. So it is also called annulus. Annual means 1 year. Okay, चलो, ठीक है. But we can remember it as a circular band or region between two concentric circles. Is that clear? Okay. समझ में आई बात? Yes. So children, after recalling various formula to find surface area, all right, let's start the illustration. It isn't going to be easy because you are not going to get any formula directly, because here the objects are combination of some geometrical shapes. I'll mention that while we read this statement, and we have to find total surface area of that object which is formed by the combination of maybe cylinder, hemisphere, cylinder, cone, alright, maybe cube, cuboid, cube, cylinder. Okay, let's see the first statement. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rashid, a boy, got playing top. Have you played with that top?
Yes.
With spring? Alright, playing top on as his birthday present, which surprisingly had no color on it, and that was surprise. कोई गिफ्ट में देता है तो वो अच्छा नया देंगे, but this top he received as a gift, okay, had no color, right? He wanted to color it with crayons. Fortunately he had crayons, so he wanted to color it. The top, मतलब भमरड़ो, the top is shaped like a cone, surmounted by a hemisphere. Now you have to understand this word surmounted. When you want to ride the horse, what do? You go on its back and sit.
Yes.
Correct? This is surmounting a horse. उसके ऊपर बैठ जाना. That is surmounting. You understand? ये टेबल है. यहाँ मैं एक बड़ा सा बॉक्स लाके रख दूं ऊपर. The box is surmounted on the table. So simple. All right. What is surmounted? The top is shaped like a cone, surmounted by a hemisphere. What surmounts a cone? Hemisphere. So नीचे कौन है उसके ऊपर रखा गया है इज दैट क्लियर यस आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस ऑब्जेक्ट which is combination of two geometrical shapes bottom we have cone and up top we have hemisphere we have the entire top is 5 centimeter in height now this is interesting the entire top yahan se yahan the total height that is how much 5 centimeter I don't know if it's there height all right that is 5 the entire top is 5 centimeter high and the diameter of the top I'll write it down diameter is 3.5 therefore follow radius 3.5 divided by 2 centimeter because radius is equal to d by 2 because we'll need radius in the formula and not the diameter all right now very interesting this total height what is this children radius what is this
Radius.
what is this radius and what is this vertical height और ये slant height ये कौन का vertical height है ना so ये पूरी height the whole height is what यहां से यहां तक और यहां से यहां तक
5 centimeter.
है ना this is whole height so I'll put capital H ये height के लिए मैं क्या लिखूं capital H that is equal to small h plus r I hope you have understood ये फिगर के बाजू में मैं कर देता हूं now height is given capital H 5 that is h plus r now r also you got so 5 is equal to h plus 35 upon 20 चलेगा I remove the decimal so upon 10 2 तो था ही 2 10s are 20 5 4s are 5 7s are therefore 5 minus 7 upon 4 is equal to LCM निकालो 4 so 4s are 1s are 5 4s are 20 minus 7 is equal to h therefore h is equal to 13 upon 4 leave like that h is equal to 13 upon 4 so what is the height of the cone हाँ वो भी नहीं चलेगा हाइट भी नहीं चलेगा हमें तो स्लांट हाइट चाहिए वर्कआउट सब से सो पहले टारगेट नहीं डिसाइड कर लेते हैं चलिए फाइंड द एरिया ही हैज टू कलर हम इनको क्या कलर करना पड़ेगा कर्व्ड सरफेस ऑफ कोन एंड कर्व्ड सरफेस ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर सो आई एम गिविंग द टाइटल सॉल्यूशन सॉल्यूशन के पहले ये सारा काम करना पड़ेगा ये तो अभी तो टारगेट डिसाइड कर रहे हैं चलो टोटल एरिया दैट इज कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन प्लस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर करेक्ट कौन की फॉर्मूला पाई आर एल हेमिस्फीयर की 2 पाई आर रेडियस इज अवेलेबल एल इज नॉट अवेलेबल सो अगेन वो दूसरी वाली फॉर्मूला बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला एल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ये पाइथागोरस L square is equal to h square plus r square. So I'll have to proceed with this work. Now, L square is equal to h square plus h you got 13 upon 4. So square करेंगे तो 169 upon plus r square that is 35 upon 20 और कहाँ हमने सिंप्लीफाई किया 7 upon 4. R 7 upon 4 हो गया ना Are you getting me? या तो फिर आप 35 upon 20 फिर से कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा so 7 upon 4 so स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 49 upon 3 all right whole upon 16 this is 8 11 और 2 218 upon 16 unfortunately that is not perfect square. 16 is perfect square, but this is not perfect square. क्या करेंगे? चलिए L square is equal. पहले तो मैं डिवाइड करता हूँ, 2 से जाता है, 2 8 2 1 0 और 9. Now 109 I'm going to divide by 8. 8 1 8, 2 बचा 9. 8 3 24, 5 remains 0. Point. 8 6 48, 2 remains 0. 8 2 16, 4 remains 0. 5 It is interesting, children. It be a perfect square. है क्या? नहीं. Anyways, therefore L square is equal to by minus 40. So this is terminating decimal 13.62. चलिए ये perfect square नहीं है because number of decimal places is 3 है. Number of decimal places 3. अब आपको square root ढूंढना है. किसका? 1 3. I'll write upon 1000. Upon 1000. All right. समझ में आ रहा है? या upon क्या करूं? I'll put this decimal. This is very interesting. Very interesting. Because 1000 is also not a perfect square. So what I do? I'll put one place of decimal. Okay? I'll use only one zero. So 1362.5 upon 100. So I'm putting 1. I can put 0 if I want, है ना?
Yes.
Okay, this is after decimal only. So 1362.50. So pairing can be done. Pairing can be done. હવે આ સ્ક્વેર રૂટ થોડું વિચિત્ર છે હા બોલો 1 1 ઝા 13 से बड़ा नहीं है 2 2 ज़ा 4 is still smaller 3 3 ज़ा 9 is still smaller than 13 4 4 ज़ा 16 exceeds 30 so 3 3 ज़ा दूर से 3 3 ज़ा ऊपर भी लिखो 3 ज़ा alright what is 3 3 ज़ा that product you write down ये subtract करो ये plus करो okay प्लस करेंगे तो 6 13 में से 4 bring down the pair 62 say 6 1 are table till you get 46 or more 6 6 are 36 6 7 are 42 so यहां क्या करना है अभी आप 0 लो तो 60 0 जा 1 लो तो 61 1 जा 2 लो तो 62 2 जा 63 3 जा 64 4 जा 65 5 जा 66 6 जा 67 7 जा 68 8 जा 69 9 जा ये 10 ऑप्शंस है आपके पास एक चूज करना है तो क्या लेंगे 6 7 जा 42 7 जा चूज करेंगे 67 7 जा ही लेना पड़ेगा 49 4 42 ने 46 नो इट एक्सीड्स सो क्या लेना पड़ेगा 6 लिया तो 6 ही लेना है यहाँ ठीक है ऐसे नहीं कि 67 6 जा 6 6 जा 36 36 and 39 चलिए ये 6 जा how much 396 माइनस और ये प्लस 6 15 में से 6 और 0 ये 12 1 bring down that 50 but here comes your decimal here comes your decimal again decimal वाली pair so point once again 12 5s are 60 so you can try 5s are હવે પાછું પેલું જ 120 0s are 121 1s are 122 2s are પણ 12 5s are 60 મળે છે એટલે 125 5s are try 25 2 10 12 1 અને 6 ઓ આ તો 600 જ આવ ના એટલે ડાયરેક્ટ 9 પર કૂદો sorry yeah 12 and this is 72 okay so 7 8s are 56 7 9s are 63 7 or 63 9s are so I'll try with 9 7 to 9 into 9 9 9s are 81 9 2s are 18 26 2 60 million 65 yes जा रहा है how much 9 9s are how much 6 5 6 1 minus all right I have done enough of work मुझे और आगे बढ़ना नहीं है बस 36.9 what is that एक मिनट ना taking square root on both sides so L is equal to square root of this therefore what is L equal to इसका ऊपर का square root क्या 36.9 or 100 का square root, so still one place of decimal, 3.69 centimeter. That is plant height. My goodness. अभी हमारा target तो बाकी है. That target. So children, you will have tough time in calculations. Yes, but not to worry. In the textbook, you all are having the sums where the figures are such that your calculation is quite difficult. But in the board examination, you will have these figures so that calculation is not tough now. And hope so. They ask everything from the textbook, but not from this chapter. Otherwise, you will have to do the same or similar calculation. Is that clear?
Yes.
So, I'll remove this calculation part and I'll go for this final goal. You will have to adjust the solution. आपको खुद करना है. You don't copy. Screenshot लेके direct मत करो. All right? आप screenshot जरूर लो, but do the calculation on your own. All right? And when you don't get the answer, you can look at the screenshot taken. Right? Finally, बोलो, he has to color area to be color is equal to, हमने फॉर्मूला लिखी दिए ना, pi r l plus 2 pi r square. So pi r is common, l बचा, 2 r बचा. Put the value, pi की value पे mention, nothing is mentioned, so you can take 22/7. Or r, you may write that 35. If you want, you can write this also, 7/4. R is what? 7/4. L is what? 3.69. Or 2 into, follow, 7/4. Radius, 7/4. ये cancel make a multiplication, 2 2s are 7 7 cancel, 2 2s are 2 11. So you are left with 11/2. Now this is 3.69 and 7/2 is 3.50 है ना? 7/2, 7 का आधा, so 9 1 and 7. So that is 719/100 you can say. 100 you can say. पर क्या करूं चिल्ड्रन, मुझे ये मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 7190 719, so 9097. Okay, and then divide by 2. Very boring calculation. Divide by 2 ना, upon 100 तो अभी बाकी है, उसका तो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I multiply this, which I am getting 7909, and now dividing by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 18. 1. 2 5s are 10. 0. Bring down 9. 2 4s are 8. 1 bacha. Point. And 0. 2 5s are 9. So 3954.5. And 2 places of decimal. So 39.545. This is area to be maintained. Centimeter square. Alright, so a lot of calculations, okay. It's not difficult actually, but it is tedious. Certainly काड़ी मजदूरी करनी पड़ेगी. Alright, okay. Fine. Alright, so after the first illustration, we are going to solve the second one. Alright, first illustration में आपने देखा हो, मैं सब उल्टा गया हूं. And I told you, I advise you, you will take screenshots, but you will not copy directly into your notebooks. This is again one of the chapter where the calculations are going to take your test. Alright? कभी खोपड़ी से बेजा बाहर निकल आ जाए, ऐसे calculations है. You understand? I mean to say, you need extra efforts. So, yeah, you may take the screenshot, but do the calculations on your own. Don't directly copy from them. Okay? समझ में आया? So ये illustration में 2 में थोड़ा ढंग से हम काम करेंगे. Alright? इधर से चालू करके उल्टा गया था उसमें. Alright? चलिए, let's see what is illustration 2. The decorative block shown in figure. Okay? ये एक ब्लॉक है. हम
हम लोग कहीं पे कॉर्नर पे रखते हैं, हाउस में, हॉल में रखते हैं कुछ डेकोरेटिव ऑब्जेक्ट्स। तो ये एक डेकोरेटिव ब्लॉक बनाया गया है एंड इट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू ज्योमेट्रिकल सॉलिड्स, वन इज एंड अदर इज ओके, बिना पढ़े क्यों भी है, चलिए ठीक है। सो द डेकोरेटिव ब्लॉक shown in the figure is made up of two solids, a cube and a hemisphere. There they are. What is surmounted? Hemisphere is surmounted on a cube, or a cube is surmounted by a hemisphere. Surmount. बड़े सवारी की है, कामले की है, ऊपर बैठना पड़ता है। That means you surmount a horse, alright? उसके ऊपर बैठना, उसके ऊपर रखना। The base of a block is a cube with edge. That base नीचे is a cube with edge 5 centimeter. कितनी एजेस होती है क्यूब को? 12. ये सारी एजेस है। 4 lengths, 4 breadths और 4 heights, लेकिन ये तो L equal to B equal to H है, so 12 edges. Each edge is 5 centimeter in length and the hemisphere fixed on top has diameter 4.2 centimeter. Find the total surface area of block. Find the total surface area of block. First I am going to decide my goal. And what will be the formula? Because here you are not going to get the formula directly. You will have to prepare the formula. You will have to construct the formula of whatever you are asked to find. पिछले सब में मैंने शुरू कर दिया था without the goal. Alright? तो पहले goal decide कर लो ये क्या है. So ये total surface area of this. 5 faces है ना? क्वेश्चन क्या है? फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द ब्लॉक। ये क्यूब के 5 फेसेस, वो तो है, टॉप में थोड़ा सा कट हो गया है, टॉप सरफेस जाएगा ना क्योंकि ये चिपका दिया है। यू हैव स्टक द हेमिस्फीयर ऑन द टॉप सरफेस ऑफ ब्लॉक, सो वॉट एवर इज द बेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर, दैट एरिया इज गॉन from the top surface. Are you getting me or not? This block is going to have 5 faces, that surface area. Yes, यहाँ कुछ surface रहेगा, लेकिन पूरा top नहीं, top area of top minus area base area of hemisphere, और दूसरा curved surface. So required area is area of all 6 surfaces. उसमें से ये माइनस हो गया ना, टॉप भी आ गया ना, और यू कैन फाइंड एरिया ऑफ 5 फेसेस प्लस एरिया ऑफ टॉप माइनस एरिया ऑफ बेस ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर एंड प्लस द कर्व सरफेस एरिया। उसकी जगह पे हम क्या करते हैं? लेट्स फाइंड आउट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब। उसमें से ये बेस एरिया माइनस, तो निकल गई क्योंकि वो कॉमन एरिया, और ऊपर कर्व सरफेस। सो मेरा टारगेट मैं पहले डिसाइड कर रहा हूं, रिक्वायर्ड सरफेस एरिया इज टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ प्लस, उसमें से कुछ माइनस करें, माइनस बेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर प्लस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर। फॉर्मूला में क्या क्या लगेगा? क्यूब दैट इज 6 times L square है ना, माइनस बेस एरिया दैट इज पाई r square प्लस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस 2 pi r square। ये तो मजाक है, because these are like terms. So simplification is possible. You can still modify this formula. That is equal to 6L square Yeah, these are right terms. -1 plus 2 plus 1 pi r
Square.
So after deciding your final goal, look what is available. Is the length given? Yes. The age is given. We have read the sentence. Is the radius given? I think diameter is given. So radius is given, but indirect. Is that clear? हमने अपना गोल डिसाइड कर लिया, सब सोच लिया, और हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट में रेडियस नहीं है, इंस्टेड डायमीटर है. ओके, फिगर आपको ड्रॉ करना है. You have to draw the figure. That is my advice to you. It doesn't take much time. If you don't want, okay, fine. I won't mind. Now this is solution. बोलिए. Diameter 4.2 centimeter. Therefore, radius. Can you tell me half of that? 2.1 centimeter, because radius is equal to d bar 2. And the length age. एक काम करेंगे चलकर, ये अच्छा रहेगा आपको सरफेस एरिया वॉल्यूम दोनों में. I'll give the title Q. टाइटल दे देते हैं, एंड उसकी लेंथ दी है, क्या है? उसके बाजू में लिखो या नीचे लिखो. क्या लिखूंगा अभी? हेमिस्फीयर. ऑलराइट, उसका डायमीटर है 4.2 सेंटीमीटर. Therefore, radius is equal to 2.1 centimeter, because radius is equal to d bar 2. Do the work systematically, you will never make any mistake, especially in writing the formula and in derivation of formula. Alright, हम सीधी चढ़ाई करेंगे अब. Attack. Okay, required surface area is equal to 6l square plus pi r square. 6l square plus हमने बनाएंगे, पूरा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. दिस डायग्राम ड्रॉ करते हैं, पेंसिल वर्क कर लो वहां, कोई बात नहीं. ओके, चलो, क्योंकि डायग्राम भी पेंसिल से ही ड्रॉ करना है, तो वही पेंसिल वर्क कर लो. 6 into l square 5 into 5. ओके, ब्रैकेट कर लो ताकि वो अलग हो जाए. प्लस पाई, चलिए 22/7. सो सिर्फ रेडियस ही है हमारे पास, सो इट हैज टू बी अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 7, नहीं तो फिर काम बढ़ जाएगा. ओके, और सेंटीमीटर में ही है, सो 21/10 into 21/10. बी केयरफुल. राइट नाउ वी आर डूइंग एरिया फॉर्मूला, उसमें r स्क्वायर है और वॉल्यूम में r क्यूब होगा. सो r स्क्वायर हो तो 2 टाइम्स, r क्यूब होगा तो 3 टाइम्स. चलिए, नाउ दिस इज 7 1s are 7. ओके, ये तो आसान है. 150 प्लस इसका मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा 21 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 66. ऑलराइट, सो 0 6 12 126 6831. So 1386 upon, so 2 places of decimal, so 150 plus 13.86, that is 163.86. One word only, and that is area, centimeter square. And then of course you will have to write the answer. Find the total surface area of the block. आंसर क्या होगा? The total surface area of the block is 163.86 centimeters square. All right, children. So that's all in this session. All right. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye.